Hi and welcome to Clever Curl YouTube. I'm Kristy and this is my friend
Hayley.
and we're here today to answer some frequently asked curly questions.
So, Clever Curl packaging is recyclable, 100% recyclable. Most of them are made from post-consumer recycled materials, which is actually plastic milk bottles.
Did you know, Hayley, that sometimes you'll notice in your Clever Curl bottle that it won't be the exact pure white colour? And this is because it comes from the different coloured caps when they're recycling the milk bottles. So they might be blue or green or red. So it slightly changes your colour.
So cool. It's like you're getting sprinkles through your bottle.
Glitter. Absolutely. Refilling is such a big thing here at Clever Curl. We encourage all of our salons to become refill salons. You can take any of your Clever Curl bottles to one of our refill stockists and have them refilled, and most of the time they'll offer you a little bit of a discount, which makes it all the more for being sustainable and for also recycling.
Better for you, better for the planet. We love the slogan here at Clever Curl: reuse, refill, recycle.
The difference between the Clever Curl treatment and the Clever Curl cream is quite significant. However, both products can be used in similar ways. The curl treatment is part of our wash range or shower products. So it actually contains our hydrolyzed rice protein, and what this does, it helps to strengthen and nourish the hair. For most people, will be used as a treatment or as a conditioner. You can also, though, dependent on the texture of your curls, you can use it as a leave-in product. We do just recommend not to leave it on your scalp, just to always use through the mid-lengths and ends when using it as a leave-in.
So our curl cream is used as a leave-in product, so it's not actually part of the shower products. It's part of the styling range, and it is 100% moisture. There is no hold in it whatsoever. It's just going to give your hair a nice, yummy boost of moisture.
One great tip about the curl cream, Hayley, is that you can add it to your water spray bottle, and before refreshing, you can give it a shake and spritz it into your hair.
That's actually what I did this morning when I refreshed my hair. Put a little bit of curl cream in my water spray bottle and then just follow with my styling products.
So easy.
So all in all, curl treatment is in the shower range, curl cream is in the leave-in styling range. Of course, 100% Clever Curl is made in Australia. So we love being Australian made, and we're actually certified Australian made and owned by Australian Made Campaign.
That's so great. It's great being able to buy Australian owned and made products.
Yeah, we love supporting local, so yeah.
Yes, the Clever Curl range is perfectly safe to use on children. We have both our original and our fragrance-free range, so you can choose which is going to best suit your children. The Clever Curl original range does contain a semi-synthetic fragrance. However, it doesn't contain 26 of the known allergens, so it makes it that little bit safer to use on your little ones.
And if you do choose the fragrance-free range, just know that it is allergy certified as well. So it's very, very safe to use on kids, but of course, we always recommend a patch test if you are concerned at all. No! We have never and we will never test on animals. Clever Curl is always tested on real curlies, real human beings. We love our little critters and would do nothing to hurt them. So our business owners, Julia and Luke, actually signed a pledge that they would never test on animals as well. So you can be rest assured that we're always going to be testing on humans. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope we answered some of your frequently asked curly questions. If we didn't, please leave a comment below. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.